Welcome to Hale's Honey Pot. Today we're going to open up the hive to check on the queen that we put in a little over a week ago. See if she's laying eggs, whether there's any larvae. Hopefully we see her, but as long as we see some eggs and larvae, we're good. Getting everything set up right now. We have all of our stuff. We have a new Cell top feeder. We're going to get rid of the front feeder, which is that which promotes robbing by other pollinators. So we're going to get rid of that, and we're going to add this new Cell feeder. Got the sugar water ready to go here. I got a little more oil ready to go, and another hive beetle trap just in case the other one has stuff in it and we need it. Got my smoker. I'm going to get that going. Got some Crisco. We're going to add that to the bottom of the frame, or the bottom of the stand, to prevent ants. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and get the smoker going, and we'll see you in a bit.